Hey, and welcome to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we want to let you know that this video is not financial advice and we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your own research. That being said, let's head to the video. Are you also hearing about a unique and COVID-inspired cryptocurrency named Omicron Rocket? Believe it or not, Omir has created a never-ending hype in the market that's just going to take it to the sky. But why? Well, it focuses on the disasters created by the pandemic and tries to decrease the depression faced by thousands of people who lost their jobs. But how is this going to happen? Every cryptocurrency focuses on something to deliver its users, and as for Omir, it wants to gather those who are going through a tough time due to the pandemic. And it is literally some remarkable news to reveal for you that it's going to make you invest in it before it's too late. Omir might have been launched just now, hence it's a perfect time for you to pocket some of its coins and wait for the rise everyone's waiting for. But what it really is, and whether this project is worth it or not. Don't think too much, because today, we're going to talk about the new launch, Omir, and its 437x potential. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to watch more videos about new crypto projects. Let's get started with what is Omir. Omir is the cryptocurrency of a one-of-a-kind project called Omicron Rocket that made its appearance in the market just recently. Omicron Rocket is a project that is destined to gather all the investors and people affected by the pandemic. As the name suggests, which has been based after a variant of COVID-19, the project wants its investors to have a sort of reciprocation of the loss they faced earlier. Every cryptocurrency is launched with a primary focus that works as its building block. And for Omicron Rocket, the focus is on creating a new community of investors. Over thousands of people lost their jobs and financial stability owing it to the pandemic. But cryptocurrency appeared to be an option for those thousands of people wanting to earn some money side by side. However, Omicron Rocket solely wants to create an opportunity for those who have lost the most and now want to make the most. But what makes this project pretty unique from all others in the market? The very reason for its creation works as something that we never see in any other project. Omicron Rocket wants to create a community of investors who want to earn from the crypto market no matter what the pandemic brings. Plus, it also works as a meme project, and the reason is its logo's been certified and approved by an 8-year-old girl. But why is this? Well, Omicron Rocket needed something new in their project, so why not make it unique that way? Also, Omicron Rocket has been inspired by Dogecoin, which means that it wants to create the same opportunities for its investors as Dogecoin earlier did. What this really means is its early investors are going to make most of the opportunity. But how? Well, the early investors can invest in Omir and buy coins at the lowest price possible. And then, due to high percentage of buying and the hype that has been created, the price will continue to increase. The reason for the sharp price increase will be due to its meme nature. Believe it or not, investors want to know how a meme coin will perform, and for that reason, they invest in it as well. To know how a cryptocurrency will perform and whether it can give you enough profit, you have to invest in it. This is what all the investors are thinking right now, which means they're continuously buying Omir, not to leave any in the market. But we said the project has just launched. How is coin being sold? Well, this is where you need to know about the pre-launch and the official listing of its coin, Omir. Often, you don't get the chance to buy cryptocurrencies when they're launched. And not to repeat it again, but you need to know that Omicron Rocket's coin, Omir, is going to be launched on March 26th, 2022 at 1300. You can buy as much Omir as you want by going to PancakeSwap and connecting your wallet. If you're watching the video just now, it means sales have already started and you don't have much time to buy. But that's not too late. Hurry up and buy Omir if you want. The launch will be followed by an airdrop on March 27th that'll continue for the next 100 days. Each Omir holder can take advantage of the airdrop and can pocket Omir worth $250,000 collectively. But what would be the price when you will buy Omir? No matter when you want to buy one or thousands of Omir, the initial listing price you have to pay per Omir will be 0.001 cents, meaning with an investment of only $1,000, you could pocket about 1 million Omir, whose price will continue to increase the moment when the selling stops. But is it worth it? This is where you need to know about its potential. Since we're talking about a meme coin that's been inspired by Dogecoin, its growth chances seem promising. The reason is the majority of investors want to play their shot on it, which will in turn increase its price. Plus, 40% of the total initial supply of Omir will be burned that will literally push its price to the sky. Everyone would be holding their Omir while there will not be a single coin in the market. This will be the ideal condition for the Omicron rocket to blow up and take its price to the sky or even to space. According to insights, it's being expected that Omir can increase its price by 437 times. That's something unbelievable, and if this happens, the early investors are going to play in the money. It'll be a scenario the same as Dogecoins when the early investors pocketed thousands of dollars. If Omir increases by 437 times, your early investment of only $1,000 will be worth 437,000. But this is only going to happen if you make the decision to invest on time. Omir has officially launched on PancakeSwap, which means thousands of early investors would already be buying Omir. If you don't want to miss out on this opportunity and buy some Omir before there are none left, make your move. The 437x potential is something no investors can ignore, especially when the question about a crypto project that can boom in the future. Omicron Rocket does not seem to stop at only launching its cryptocurrency. Rather, it has a well-defined roadmap ahead of it. And out of the tens of goals it wants to achieve in the upcoming months, having a complete collection of NFTs is the priority. The NFT collection will be created by one of the leading artists in the NFT world, which means some of the stunning art pieces are waiting for you. Omicron Rocket is a crypto project that's going to focus on various projects, and no one can guess with certainty what would be its limit. Who knows? You would see Omicron Rocket's metaverse-inspired games where Omir will be used as a native currency. Therefore, there are countless opportunities for Omicron Rocket to pursue, and every one of them would add value to its coin, Omir. What does it really mean for you then? No matter what happens, pocketing Omir would be the best decision for you to make right now. But you don't have to make it your primary investment. Rather, put your extra money in Omir and wait for it to be the next Dogecoin. Going back to the launch, it's already been started, and once the launch is completed, Omicron Rocket's website should be updated stating everything the investors need to know. Did you know that a cryptocurrency can focus that much on a pandemic? Well, Omir is trying to gather everyone who are affected by the pandemic so they can pocket a major profit from the project. Don't be shy. Comment right below in the comment section. Would you want to buy Omir today at a lower price and wait for it to hit the sky? Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to watch more insightful videos about the crypto world. Until the next video, stay tuned.